In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo on desktop. Whether you're just getting started or you want a quick refresher, we'll walk through downloading the app, understanding the layout, finding a stock, analyzing charts, and placing a trade, all in a clear and beginner-friendly way. First, download and install the desktop app from the official Moomoo website. Choose the version for Windows or Mac, run the installer, and open the app. Sign into your account if you have one. You can freely explore the platform without completing a full account setup, but keep in mind that you'll need a verified trading account to place real trades. If you're new, it's perfectly fine to get comfortable with the interface before taking any action. When the app opens, take a moment to understand the layout. You'll typically see your watch list for saved stocks, a chart area for price action and indicators, an order panel for buying and selling, and market tabs to browse stocks, ETFs, and options. The desktop app is highly customizable. Panels can be resized, rearranged, and saved as layouts so your most used tools are always at hand. Investing a few minutes customizing your workspace will save you time later. To look up a stock, use the search bar at the top. Type the company name or ticker symbol, say AAPL, and select it. The platform will open a dedicated page for that symbol, showing the price chart, the order panel on the side, and detailed fundamentals and news below. This gives you quick access to everything you need in one place. Next, analyze the chart. You can switch time frames, toggle between candlestick and line charts, and add indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages. Drawing tools let you mark trend lines, support and resistance, and custom notes. There are over 100 indicators available, but start with a few you understand well. Keep charts clean and purposeful so you can read price action at a glance. When you're ready to place a trade, select your stock and click Trade, Buy, or Sell. Choose your order type. Market orders aim to fill right away at the current price, while limit orders let you set the exact price you're willing to accept. Enter the quantity, review the estimated cost, and confirm. You can also add a stop loss, take profit, or set conditional orders to help manage risk automatically. A simple routine to remember is this: open Moomoo, search your stock, check the chart, place your order, and then monitor your position thoughtfully. With practice, these steps will feel natural and efficient.